Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Mia Yurka here, and in today's video I will be showing you guys how to create a YouTube banner for your channel. One of the reasons why you should create a YouTube banner for your channel is because it's make your channel look more professional, more creative, and also it's bring a sense of beauty to your main page. It's help to elevate the face or your page per se. Okay, and you can add a lot of information on that banner, important information. If you have like other website that you want them to check out, you can also put it on there. So today we're gonna go ahead and discuss all that, but just to let you know, the main purpose of this video is to show you the easy way to create a banner for your YouTube channel. Okay, if you are interested in this topic, make sure you go ahead and subscribe right now. Click on the subscribe button. I'll wait. Okay, have you subscribed? Thank you so much. I appreciate your love and support. Now click on the notification bell for future videos. That way when I post videos like this, you will be the first to see it. And if you're already a subscriber of mine, you guys already know, mwah, I love you guys, even though you cannot see my face, but I'm sending you guys kisses and love. Thank you so much for your support. My YouTube channel is growing slowly but surely, and I really appreciate you guys. Okay, so let's get straight to the video. Okay guys,
I'm feeling high.
As you guys can see, I am logged into the dummy channel that we created. Remember, London First is a dummy channel that I use, and that's the channel I'm gonna be using to teach you guys everything about YouTube. Okay, so as you guys see, I'm already sign in on the Google under London First. After you're done creating your banner on the website that I'm going to show you guys, you will come to this place I'm gonna show you on your YouTube channel. This is where you're gonna go ahead and upload, okay, your banner. So let me show you where you're gonna go ahead and upload your banner first, and then we're gonna go ahead and create the banner, and then we're gonna come back again so you can upload it. Okay, so if you look at your YouTube channel right now and you click on your picture that is on my right, your left most likely, and you click on your channel right here. When you click on it, it's gonna take you to that page. Of course, if you already have video on the channel, it's gonna show all your videos and all that stuff here. But the fact that London First is a dummy channel, we have no subscribers yet or anything like that, so there is nothing showing up here. So next thing, you need to go here where it says customize your channel. Click on customize your channel right here, and once that open, give it some time guys, I'm sorry. Once it's open, you're gonna see up here say layout, branding, and basic info. Okay, so I want you guys to come here where it say branding, and when you come to branding, you're gonna see this is where you can upload pictures on your channel, like change your profile pictures on your YouTube channel. And right here it says banner. This is where we're gonna go ahead and upload our banner. As you can see, YouTube tells you the size of the banner. Okay, you cannot just upload anything. Okay, so it has to be 2048 sorry, by 1152. Okay, at least. So make sure you have that, and that is why the website that I'm going to show you is really good, because they already they already size it for you. All you have to do is put your creativity, create something cute, and then come back here and upload it. Okay, you'll click on upload, and you'll see how we do that later. And if you have any watermark and stuff like that, this is where you upload it as well, and that can be another video for another day. So now let's go to creating your banner from scratch. So the website we're gonna use is called SNAPPA. Okay, this is not a sponsored video. I'm just showing you guys things that works for me, and hopefully it works for you too. And I find it super easy. Since I already created an account with them already, all I have to do is log in. But if you haven't heard of SNAPPA, this is the first time you're hearing of SNAPPA, go ahead and click on get started, and it's super simple. They're just asking you for your name, some email address, and stuff like that. It's for free, and you can go ahead and get started. But I'm gonna click on here so I can log in. That way we can get started with it. Okay, all right, so here you go. We are in. I don't need to save it, so I'm gonna put never. So this is SNAPPA. Once you log in, it's gonna take you to this main page right here. And as you can see guys, you can create a lot of stuff from here, not just banners, but you can create any social media, stuff. You can create Facebook posts, Facebook link, Instagram posts, stories, blogging info, headers, banners, and profiles. Like, you have so many things that you can create on here, but the category I want you to look at is the header, banners, and profile page, which is right here. And I want you to look for the YouTube banner. So if you scroll down here, you're gonna see YouTube banner right here. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna click on that one here. Once it's open, guys, as you can see on top of here, it tells you the size automatically. Okay, you don't have to change it, you don't have to do anything. And down here is all the type of YouTube banners that you can choose from to create, and or you can start from scratch. We're not gonna start from scratch because I'm super creative. If I start from scratch, this video will be like 2 hours long. So I'm looking for something simple to show you guys how it works. Okay, let me see. What about something like this? Here you go. We're gonna create something super simple and something fast. When you click on whatever banner that you decided to create, I want you to pay attention to this right here. So this, if you looking on the YouTube channel through your phone, they are telling you that this area right here, this is all you're gonna see on your phone. If you're looking at it through on a desktop, excuse me, then these sides right here are gonna be showing. So when you do your banners, make sure you create it, creatively. That way, when people are reviewing it on their phone or they're viewing it on their laptop, or on a TV screen, it looks the same. I don't know if that makes sense, but anyway, this is what we need. Do not put a banner that is way out here, and stuff like that. Just make sure you keep this portion right here. Whatever you want to show on your banner, make sure it stays in between this area right here, okay? Just to make it simple for you. So let's see, I'm gonna delete this right here. We're just gonna create something for the London First channel. So you can delete stuff. I'm just clicking on them and delete it. Okay, so now I end up with a blank page. The first thing, if you want to do, for example, you want to change the background, then you will come here, choose your background. But I don't want no photos yet, I want colors. So we're gonna go ahead and click here. I want something maybe teal. No, let's do something yellow. I've been doing teal. Okay, that's cute. We'll do something that color. Let's go ahead and find some image. There's so many things you can do, guys. You're gonna have to play with it. The purpose, of this video is to show you guys how to create and upload a banner. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. We're not gonna waste time on here. So I'm gonna create something very simple. We're gonna add a text. Let's change the font real quick to something more that we like. Do we like this? No. No, not for this side. No. We can do that. We can do that. We can make the size a little bit bigger. Okay, and then we're gonna add another text, and we're gonna put first. And we're gonna make the size maybe like this, and we're gonna change the font to something. Nah, that's too small or too thin. No, that's not girly enough. I like that. Okay, we can do that. Let me make sure it's in the middle. That's fine. I like it like that. Let me add. We can change the color. I don't want black, so we can do maybe white. One white, one black. That's fine. All right. Okay. We're just looking for stuff to add for now, guys. Let's see, icons, vectors. So I'll be playing some music on the background for you guys, and then when it's time to talk, I'll click back on it again. But we're just creating a banner, so make it yours, basically. Okay. And just to let you know too, if you have something, a picture of you that you want to upload and it's from your desktop, you can always upload the picture in here. But I'm not uploading anything, so I'm just gonna go, through here. Okay guys, so we are done. Say we are done with our banners and everything like that. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna click on that YouTube thing here. So basically this is how it's gonna look. So only this side here, remember, is gonna be showing on your channel. So when you're done with that, guys, you're gonna go ahead, you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna download it so you can save it. It doesn't matter really I'm not really good with those, so I usually put it on high resolution. And we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna save this bad boy. So it's gonna download right here. And here you go, your creation. And you're gonna go ahead and save it basically. Okay, so you save it in your place. So now we're gonna go back, we're gonna minimize this, and then we go back to your YouTube channel. Was it? Oh, it was already here. And you guys remember how to get here. We're gonna go and upload your banner, and you're gonna go click on your London first. You're gonna open. So it's telling you if you are, this is okay. So if viewable for TV. So if you're looking at on BTV, so everything, you're gonna see everything just like this here. If you looking at it on a laptop, you're gonna be able to see this. Viewable on all devices, you're gonna be able to see this. So let's go ahead and let's click done. And it is now uploaded. So make sure you go ahead and you publish right here, guys. If you don't publish it, you're gonna have to upload it again. So publish. Once you publish it, it's gonna take you, it's gonna stay down here, sorry, to go to the channel. So, oh, I didn't have time. You can view the channel up here too. Here you go. And here you go with your banner. Your banner has been created. And this is how you create a banner for your channel. All right. So if this video was very informative for you, make sure you go ahead and you give me a like and subscribe, comment. Let me know if you try SNAPPA. Let me know how it went for you. If you have any question, make sure you go ahead and put it in the description box below, and I will definitely respond back to you. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you on the next video. Bye.